So in today's video, we are going to talk about flex in mobile phone. What are mobile flex and what will happen to a flex when it is being broken or damaged or even spoiled? That is what we are going to talk about in today's video. If you haven't subscribed to Vitex Communication channel, try and do that. Turn up your bell to get notified when we drop important content like this. So flex can be defined as the bridge between the up and the down panel. Flex is what connects the up panel and the down panel. So flex enables the up panel to communicate with the down panel. But now the question is, if a flex is being tampered or being destroyed, what will happen to that mobile phone? I will explain it in the video, so let's go. Yeah, when a flex is being damaged, one, the charging point will not work again. It will not charge even though you plug charger. Secondly is a speaker will not talk again. Thirdly is the network. You will have partial network in that phone. Fourth is the earpiece port. Earpiece will not display. Fifth is the vibrator will not work. So when the flex is being damaged, those things I outlined in the video, they will not work, or they might even work partially. So that is it. In my next video, we are going to talk about things that will not get spoiled when flex is being damaged. It's being damaged in your mobile phone. That's what we are going to discuss in my next video. Follow, subscribe, like our page at Vitex Communication. Follow us on IG at official Vitex. Bye.